Good evening. Some people are constantly asking about the 2+2 dialogue on the eve of the US election and its importance. So, I will want to talk regarding that. See, first of all, we should all understand that both India and United States of America are really powerful democracies. And in democracies, the change of power, even if it takes place, doesn't mean that the strategies or the alliances will change. The policies are continued. See, the office of president or prime minister is a continued office. It doesn't depend upon the party, whichever party is ruling. The office itself is a continuity. So even if there is a change in the president in United States, the office of the president, that is the Oval Office, will be a continued office. The policies will remain, the establishment will be the same. Now coming to the particular time period, the eve of US election, it hardly matters. Why I am saying that? Because if you look at the previous 2+2 dialogue between United States and India, it was on the eve of election in India. So if you go by that logic, then US must also be thinking that why we are doing a 2+2 dialogue on the eve of election. It never happens with democratic countries. It definitely happens with dictatorships, because in dictatorship the institutions are weak, but the individual is very powerful, or the individual party, like in case of China. The day the Chinese Communist Party will fall, everything will collapse. It doesn't happen in United States or any democratic country for that matter of fact. So it doesn't matter. The time frame doesn't matter. What matters is the continuity of alliance and the cementing of alliance which take place with the passage of time. And we can see that the cementing of alliance between United States and India has become a constant phenomenon since 90s. So it was a very remarkable visit. It will be a historical visit, and when we will write history, the historians won't forget this visit. Thank you.